10:16. So, as per our mission, visions and DNA, we are led by 16 into 60. As I told, Wisdomania go by seconds. So, before that, let me introduce today our new guest. Okay. I know her since 20 years. I think before 20 years or after 20 years, I know. I am not very introvert kind of boy from my childhood. I did not mingle with people there, and I did not brought up there. I was born in Calcutta, brought up here. So, but I knew her. She's a very known face in our locality. Okay, our father and mother are very known. So, I like to welcome you, Mema Aparna Chakraborty, today to our dais, the platform of wisdom and the platform of leadership. Okay. I will narrate each and every one of you today. Will introduce themselves and will narrate in elaborate way about Wisdomania today. We used to conduct 2-day sessions, Saturday and Sunday, and this entire session is being visualized by entire world to live. People watching this session from US, people watching this session from UK, people watching this session from Hyderabad, from Bangalore, anywhere. It's a unique session, Mema. You won't find it, I have not seen here, only once I saw in newspaper in Manikala, Ishapur, one person started this type of concept. Okay, it's a very scientific concept to use brain mapping to brain development. Completely under the microscope of science and technology. Okay, but in a nutshell, it's a session for the leaders, for the budding leaders. I am making student into a professional leader for the world, a social leader. So I will give you in details, in brief, after they will introduce themselves one by one, and I will put in place our completely pedagogy and modes of operating, methods, everything before you. Also, you also, I will invite you to be on the dais and share your entire experience, work experience, entire your experience in your life. We will be very kind and we will be very pleased to listen from you also, and I will ask you to guide me also. Okay. So first, let me introduce one of our Wisdomania, Dia Burman. Dia has been doing Wisdomania for last 2 to 3 months. She dwells in Rajbari in Attur, at Attur. She has given exam, class 10 exam, board exam this year. She is approaching to class 11. She is an art student basically, but she is the maestro of art. She is a good painter. Very good painter, and she will pursue her career in painting, contemporary art. Okay.
Abstract art.
So she is trying to put herself into the in Calcutta, that's near London. That place. I forget the name. Now she has joined with us. In 2 to 3 months back, and then I sent her to the sabbatical leave, which Rahul Gandhi used to do. I am not a politician, but I like some things of Rahul Gandhi very much. Okay, and that's why I used to send every Wisdomania to a sabbatical leave. Sabbatical leave means Agyatova in Bangla. Agyatova, you know, very famous in Mahabharata and Ramayana. Also, Ram was not in Agyatova, basically Kaurava, Pandava was in sabbatical leave. So, somebody takes, without informing anybody, কাউকে না জানিয়ে কেউ যদি দীর্ঘদিনের জন্য ছুটিতে চলে যায়, সেই জিনিসটাকে বলে অজ্ঞাতবাস। Am I right? অজ্ঞাত মানে কেউ জানতে না, জ্ঞাত নয় কোথায় তুমি আছো, কোথায় থাকছো। In my corporate days we had a program, induction program every day. I used to do it in my BCom university. The fast orientation program with the MBA student we used to do it. We used to take them to a hill station, a remote hill station like Araku Valley in Vizag, or in remote area where there is no electricity, कोनो विद्युत नहीं, बिजली नहीं होता है, ना होता है पानी। एकदम उस एरिया में हम लोग उस लोग को ले जाते हैं। We used to take them and we used to monitoring them, we used to mentoring them for 3 to 4 days. Mobile को they has to keep the mobile into their parents. No not contact with parents, no contact with the society. Only the faculties and trainers name. I have written a book on this. I will show you one day. I have the pictures in my laptop probably. So how they do it. Various activity, games, okay, team building exercise, swimming, squash. We used to do it. The fundamental part, the reason is that what is the objective of this session? Mobile has killing our minds and brain also. Scientists have said. Earlier we had a Gurukul concept in Mahabharata, Ramayana, everywhere. So basically it's one type of Gurukul concept for 3 days. This is one of the name. There is a name of HR people knows this thing very well. I know that name. Outbound training. Inbound training and outbound training. There are 2 types of training. Inbound and outbound. We used to take them to outbound training. So in outbound training means you will be out from the bonding. Nobody will be connected with you. Only you will be connected with that environment, culture, circumstances. Human beings driven by culture, Ronak knows very well. And I proudly say today, the one of the wisdomani who has made me proud, that is Ronak, Yuvraj Singh. He is really has made our wisdomani very fruitful. Today also he set an example. His mother told not to come because one COVID patient has been diagnosed near Shikha Electronics in Shamnagar. So that road has blocked, no? Yes. Okay. So he called me in the morning that I cannot come today, there is a problem. I told her, this is not the wisdomani are taught you to sit with the problem, because problem before problem too. That is the main thing. We will work with problem, we will sit with problem, we will deal with problem, but problem should not trickle down, should not grapple us, should not grip our life. If there is no problem, there is no word that Shakespeare told, the necessity is the mother of invention. We will not invent, we will not create, we will not co-create such things until we have a problem in life. If you are in comfort zone, you will stay in comfort zone. Maximum you will get a good bride or groom. That's why I told Dia and others, if you have a mentality full of thought that I have been born up as a lady in this society to get a good groom, ভালো বর পাবো, ঠিক আছে? তাই জন্য আমরা শিবরাত্রি করি, শিবের মাথায় জল দিই। মাই আইডিওলজি সে শিব কোনোদিন ভালো বর নয়, ঠিক আছে? কিন্তু মেয়েরা শিবের মাথায় জল দেয়, শিবের মতো বর পাবে। আবার শিবের মতো বর পেলে তখন তাকে ডিভোর্স দেওয়ার জন্য ছটফট করে। There is a full dichotomy in our society. যেটা নয় সেটাকে আমরা হ্যাঁ করি, যেটা হ্যাঁ সেটাকে আমরা না করি। So why this dichotomy? That is why I have created this platform way back 2016 at Halishaw. This platform was born in Mumbai station, Mumbai VT, Shivaji Terminal. Actually, the brainchild idea with my one of friend, he is a government officer. When we are traveling in Mumbai, I was caught by police. They found me terrorist in Mumbai VT because I was taking picture of the Mumbai VT station. Mumbai VT station, if you go, Shivaji Terminal is a wonderful place at gym. Beautiful station. There is heritage, World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. So I was taking pictures, snap, with my mobile, and police has caught me. They thought we are terrorists, आतंकवादी, इसलिए photo उठा. So they took me to jail. My train was free within half an hour. So how I escaped from them? By showing my skill and competency and knowledge that I have seen everywhere. I was being held by Maoists in Odisha. Malkangiri, there is a place, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha's border, very fierce place, like Bastar in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Maoists have threatened me when I went to their my Airtel operation to be inaugurated. They asked me 5 lakh rupees. How I deal that problem? I share you with you. I faced another big problem in my life when I was held by, intimidated by IAS officer, district magistrate of Odisha, Berhampur district, Ganjam district. He called me at his house, residence, Bangalore, and asked me, give me 5 lakh rupees, we will conduct a tennis tournament from your Airtel. I was the head of Airtel in that time, in that area. How I put these things? I was under siege. He was asking me the check. Then I called up my boss. I managed that situation. I get escape from there. For that you need not to do MBA degree, neither you need not to do graduation degree. Your experience matters. And that we taught in instrument. That's why we sent them sabbatical leave. And there are another 3 also. They have not come. So I sabbatical leave to understand. I sent wisdom to sabbatical leave. Only to introspect themselves. There is a meaning. I told you, introspect means আত্মার সঙ্গে কথা বলা, নিজের সাথে কথা বলা বা আত্মার সঙ্গে কথা বলাকে introspect বলে। নিজেকে চেনা, who I am, where from I came, where I will go. If we know 3 things in your life, where from you came, কোথা থেকে তুমি এসেছো, তোমার উৎস जो भी है। राजा को बोलने से राजा बोलेगा मेरा उत्स ये मंदिर है। No, your उत्स তুমি এসেছো a cosmic energy থেকে। You come from we are not a part and parcel, that is proven, from a cosmic energy which is a dark energy, which Stephen Hawking told we have only discovered 5% of the universe, that is Surya, Chandra. There is a galaxy where 95% universe is there. কালকে আমি একটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মেসেজ পাঠিয়েছি তোমাদের। Oh, I have not listened. We have started. What happened? So what we have, I have sent you a message. Probably there is a place in the Bulgaria and Romania where they have founded a cave, একটা গুহা আবিষ্কার করেছে যেটা 5 লক্ষ বছর ধরে কেউ জানতো না পৃথিবীতে থেকে। গুহার মধ্যে যেসব পাখি আছে, যেসব পশু পাখি আছে, তারা কোনোদিন সূর্যের আলো দেখেনি। Have you read this?
Like Altamira.
Huh?
Like Altamira.
Altamira. Like that, in our universe, there are 5% we are seeing. Surya, Chandra, whatever we are seeing, that is only 5%. এই যে গ্রহগুলো, পৃথিবী। But 95% is unknown still. Astrophysics scientists are discovering by the help of NASA and ISRO. Yesterday ISRO has launched a beautiful equipment. What? Eye. चोक कटी, आंखें भेजा है। क्या आंखें? टेलीस्कोप, माइक्रोस्कोप। ये झड़गुलो आसছে আমফান, umphun or that they will alert us before it's generated from the surface of sea. Everywhere there is a technology. Everywhere there is a science. So we can't say. People, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, The sages of India, I am not denying their fact and phenomena also. They have portrayed it in a different way. They told it's a god. I told it's energy. And you will see God is nothing but energy, an indomitable energy. That's why Vivekananda told this one. You think you will go mad, then pour the soul out of the feet of the Lord, and then will come power. This is very important. Health and indomitable energy. We commit suicides. Yesterday, 3 people committed suicides at Behala.
What's the meaning of indomit?
Indomitable energy মানে অদম্য, অদম্য শক্তি, যাকে দমানো যায় না, ডমিনেট করা যায় না, দমানো যায় না। Indomitable energy. Have you seen a difference of today between you and Mema?
Yes, he writes all the vocabulary.
আমি তো ওকে বলেছি।
No. Habit of collecting vocabulary.
See, this is the difference between experienced people and অভিজ্ঞ আর অনভিজ্ঞ লোক। So আমার কথা ঠিক ছিল?
I observe him.
See, the moment he comes. The moment I started telling one by one vocabulary, he started writing. I never told that. Mema, you will be happy to listen. খুশি হবে শুনে। এই কথাটা আমি day 1 থেকে wisdom নিয়ে পড়াচ্ছি।
That is my habit also from since my childhood.
Okay, my son has collected almost not less than 30 to 40,000 words. Okay, so his English paper in class 11 has been preserved by this school. Okay, they told that how do you write? He told about wisdom and then he told okay. He called his mother. Then the one teacher, English teacher has told he is equivalent to MA in English. Okay, you have to keep it. Why don't you take English as a subject as a literature? The strength of how I'm not portraying the fact, how he has developed these things. He used many vocabularies when he write. Well, doctor, that if teachers does not know, teachers ask from him. Teacher are jigas par, he is coming in there. That's why one of main objective of wisdom and here. Make you so strong in English. Make us so strong in English like Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor is the prolific speaker in India, MP from Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Congress MP. And he has the distinction. He is the only person from India who stood from UN's chairmanship with Ban Ki-moon. He lost the election, but he went to that. Okay. So I always follow. I met with him many times. Okay. He's the most energetic speaker I ever seen. Shah Rukh Khan, another. If you listen to Shah Rukh Khan, he will say how many vocabulary use in a minute.
In commentary of cricket.
Huh?
He will come in commentary of cricket. In
So
World
there
Cup.
are some Sunil Gavaskar. Look at his English. I met with Sunil Gavaskar, entire wisdom minute. He met with him in Victoria Memorial. Last 2 weeks, there was a picture also in our Facebook page everywhere. When we present ourselves, people should stare at you. That is why wisdom minute platform we built up. We should be exceptional in every field. In thinking too, in action. In language too, in our knowledge. What do we do? We should not only should not reach to the peak, the apex point, but we should also think. I don't like to speak in English with others speak, like others speak. Everybody thinks that I can speak English, fluency, that's okay. I will speak English without sand. Hey, the word called sand. What is the meaning of sand? How many people know? Very simple word, S-A-N. Sand means without. Very, very simple English. Sand. We always apply without, no? Everywhere. We do apply without everywhere. Am I right now? কি? আমরা তো without ছাড়া বলি না। কিন্তু আমরা without এর জায়গায় যদি sand use করি কেমন লাগে? হ্যাঁ। It's a new to us. লোকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে এটা মানেটা কি বুঝলাম না। তার মানেটা কি হলো? তোমাকে যদি লোকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে ওয়ার্ডটার মানে কি, বকলমে এটাই প্রমাণ করে। আমরা কেন
I'm cutting the phone. No unknown.
নাও তাকে এটাই প্রমাণ করে সে তোমাকে এনর্মাস রেসপেক্ট দিচ্ছে। বাবা ছেলেটার মনে মনে মুখে বললাম আমি এটার কমেন্ট তো দারুণ ইংলিশ। Vocabulary and idioms are called the ornament of English language. Ornaments. Jewelry. আমি ওই জন্য এখানে সেশনে ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের ক্ষেত্রে I emphasized more on vocabulary over grammar. Grammar over a period of time you can fine tune it. The more you progress and fluency will come. When Ronak joined, Ronak did not speak, could not speak a single word. Now he speak. His fluency has come back. He can speak, but he has other problem. He is managing out. But look at his attitude. He will speak to me every day. If there is earthquake also, connectivity, how he manages time. And that's why I praised always about him. So he is one of our DNA. Clear? Now the basic things, একটা জিনিস আমি ওর প্রশংসা করছি মানে আরেকজনের নিন্দা করছি তা নয়, আমরা বাঙালি এটা খুব বিশ্বাস করি যে আমার সামনে ওর প্রশংসা করছে আমি একটু না, আমি ওর থেকেও শিখি। I should learn. আমার একটা জায়গায় ইন্টারভিউ হয়েছিল, I was being selected only by one of my words. I told that guys that I learned from a rickshaw puller also. I learned from a vegetable seller also. I learned from a beggar also. Learning never stops. So I have learned many things from Dia, many things from Raja, so as to many things from Ron. So that's why this platform is a leveraging platform. We should leverage each other. So, Dia's case, I'm a little bit of introducing themselves before they come to them. Dia's case is the same problem that faces by our middle class parents. They want to grow, their parents think different way. Okay, because I know middle class culture. Middle class wants their lady to go for their marriage. From them, keep their jewelry gold from the barn taken bath. Don't go for more. I told you about Rajni's case. She came from to me 2 years, 3 years back in Bangalore. She wanted to pursue her MBA, but her family has arranged a marriage for that wedding. Wedding is called, Mangal Sutra. तो क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? और विवाह, बीए की बोला? There is another English word, nuptial knot. N-U-P-T-I-A-L, nuptial knot. N-U-P-T-I-A-L, nuptial knot. K-N-O-T. Knot माने जानो तो? हाँ.
Nuptial?
Knot, K-N-O-T. तो knot बोलते हैं. So instead of marriage, if you say nuptial knot, how prolific you are in speaking English. Am I right or wrong? Am I right, Rema? আমি যদি এই ওয়ার্ডটা ইউজ করি ম্যানেজের বদলে, তাহলে আমার পার্সোনালিটি, আমার এনিগমা, আমার ইয়েটা কি অন্যের কাছে আরো বড় করে বাড়বে না কোন? So from our language, we portray our personality. Am I right or wrong? That's why it is be exceptional. Be exceptional from others in thinking first. Thinking leads to action and creates habit. That's why Wisdom is a habit platform also. Habit hacking platform.
Today is our habit hacking.
Yes, Saturday is a habit hacking platform. We used to focus more on our habit in Saturday. Sunday is for knowledge thriving platform. Basically, What do? We have many activity. I portray one by one. Today, the open session we do Manthan program also. Like Prime Minister started a program way back, radio. That's Man Ka Baat. We do here Manthan program, steering of mind. Okay. It was started by Rabindranath Tagore at Shantiniketan. The concept of Rabindranath Tagore about education is you all know. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
What was the concept of Rabindranath Tagore about education? Education এর সম্বন্ধে দেখো দুটো জিনিস আমি বারবার আলাদা বলি, মেমা আছে বলে আমি আজকে একটুখানি ডিটেইলসে বলছি। দুটো জিনিস আমি বারবার স্টুডেন্টদের উইজডম নিয়ে আমরা বারবার আলোচনা করি, শিক্ষা আর বিদ্যা। দুটো এক নয়। আমরা শিক্ষাতে যাচ্ছি, বিদ্যাতে যাচ্ছি না। রবীন্দ্রনাথ শিক্ষা চেয়েছিলেন, বিদ্যা চাননি। ওই জন্যই উনি বলেছিলেন, আমাদের একটা থিম সং আছে রবীন্দ্রনাথ উইজডম নিয়ে সেটা নিয়ে আসছি। আমি পড়ছি, একটু পরে পড়বে। চিত্ত যেটা বয় শূন্য, উচ্চ যেটা শিব, জ্ঞান যেটা দৃপ্ত সেটা গৃহের প্রাচীর। আছে তো? ঠিক আছে, তুমি পড়ে নেবে। দীপ্ত, এটা আমাদের উইজডমেনিয়ার মেইন থিম সং, এবং আমাদের প্রতিটা উইজডমেনি তার বাড়িতে এইটা সামনে পড়ার টেবিলে রাখে। I can tell about myself. I get enormous indomitable energy when I feel dejected, frustrated, demotivated. I start reading the line by line of this word. I got my infumulated, indomitable energy within my Atma. And that's why Wisdomanians are three Atma. We follow them blindly. Many people we follow. First is Rabindranath Tagore, who is soul of us. আমাদের আত্মা বলতে গেলে রবীন্দ্রনাথ। বিদ্যাসাগর, যাকে রবীন্দ্রনাথ বলেছিলেন বীর সিংহের সিংহ শিশু, তিনি যে বিদ্যাসাগর। আমি মেমা আজ অব্দি বিবেকানন্দেরকে পড়ে খুব ইন্সপায়ার হয়েছিলাম, বড় হয়েছি, খুব ইয়ে করেছি। বিবেকানন্দের পরে আমি যদি কাউকে সব থেকে বেশি রেসপেক্ট দিয়ে থাকি, সে হচ্ছে বিদ্যাসাগর। আমার নিঃশ্বাস প্রশ্বাস আমি বিদ্যাসাগরকে ফিল করি। কেন ফিল করি? তার অটোবায়োগ্রাফি পড়ছি, আমরা জানি না বিদ্যাসাগরের সম্বন্ধে। 200 বছর হয়ে গেল, উই ডোন্ট নো অ্যাবাউট বিদ্যাসাগর। যে লোকটা নিজের বাড়ি, নিজের মাকে ভালোবাসে, তাকে ছেড়ে দিতে পারে আদর্শের জন্য। আর যাই তার রবীন্দ্রনাথ তার সম্বন্ধে বলে গেছে যে বিদ্যাসাগরের মতো আমি কাউকে দেখলাম না। নট ইভেন বিবেকানন্দ। বিদ্যাসাগরের সম্বন্ধে রবীন্দ্রনাথের প্রবন্ধ আছে, পারলে পড়ে দিন। গায়ে রক্ত যদি মন খারাপ না হচ্ছে, রক্ত সম্পর্ক করে না হচ্ছে, বেড করতে হবে। বিদ্যাসাগর কি তোমরা এখানে বসতে পারছে না, বিদ্যাসাগর না থাকে এডুকেশনই ঢুকতে হবে। বর্ণপরিচয়ের থেকেও বড় কথা, 36টা স্কুল যখন মেয়েদের জন্য পড়েছিলেন, 3বার মার্ডার করা হচ্ছে। একজন বিদ্যাসাগর আর একজন সাবিত্রীবাই ফুলে। জানতাম না তাকে আমি, লজ্জা। আই স্পিক অন মাইসেলফ, আই ডোন্ট নো সাবিত্রীবাই ফুলে। তোমরাও জানো, উই ডিসকাস ইট। তোমরা জানো সাবিত্রীবাই ফুলে? তার নামে পুনে ইউনিভার্সিটি নামকরণ।
Yes, you told him in Germany.
I made a beautiful workshop in Bangalore about Savitribai Phule on 3rd January. আমরা 5th সেপ্টেম্বর টিচার্স ডে মানাই। আমি টিচার্স ডে করি 3rd জানুয়ারি। আমি আমার ইউনিভার্সিটি টিচার্স ডে 3rd জানুয়ারি কেন করি? সাবিত্রীবাই ফুলে। সাবিত্রীবাই ফুলের জন্মদিন 3rd জানুয়ারি। And Savitribai Phule, I astonished more than Vidyasagar time, contemporary of Vidyasagar. উনি গীতা এইসবগুলো পুড়িয়ে দিয়েছিলেন, বলেছিলেন যত ধর্মগ্রন্থ আছে হিন্দুদের, মুসলমানদের সব পুড়িয়ে দাও। যেখানে লেখা আছে মেয়েদের পড়তে দেওয়া হবে না, মেয়েদের স্বাধীনতা দেওয়া হবে না। ওই সময় দাঁড়িয়ে প্লেগ রুগী, ভৌগোলিক প্লেগ, এই করোনার আগে, করোনাটা আগে